Future perfect tense in marketing, planning, future campaigns. The future perfect tense is a vital grammatical structure that helps marketers convey actions that will be completed in the future before a specified time. It is commonly used in planning future marketing campaigns to emphasize the completion of specific goals and objectives. In this tutorial, we will explore the importance of the future perfect tense in marketing and provide numerous illustrative examples to illustrate its usage. Firstly, the future perfect tense is used to express actions that will have been completed by a certain point in the future. For instance, a marketing manager might say, "By the end of next month, we will have launched a new advertising campaign to increase brand awareness." In this example, the use of the future perfect tense highlights the completion of the advertising campaign before the specified time frame. Furthermore, the future perfect tense is commonly used in setting deadlines and making strategic plans for future marketing initiatives. For example, a marketing team might say, "By the end of the year, we will have achieved a 20% increase in sales through our digital marketing efforts." This statement clearly communicates the team's goal and the expected outcome of their efforts. Moreover, the future perfect tense can be used to create a sense of urgency and motivate team members to work towards a common marketing objective. For instance, a marketing director might say, "By the time our competitors launch their new product, we will have already established ourselves as the market leader." This statement emphasizes the importance of being proactive and staying ahead of the competition. In conclusion, the future perfect tense is an essential grammatical structure in marketing for planning and executing future campaigns. By using this tense, marketers can clearly communicate their goals and objectives, set deadlines, and motivate their teams to achieve success. Understanding and utilizing the future perfect tense effectively will help marketers create strategic plans and achieve their marketing objectives in a timely manner.